Hi guys, I'm Mako Fufu and this is my first ever unboxing. I have a surprise. Posca has sent me something. I wonder what it is. Are you ready? I'm excited. I've been waiting to open this. I've been waiting to film this video to open this. So this has been sitting on my desk for a little bit and I'm like so ready. Are you ready? Scissors. What is this? I don't want to cut it, but I'm going to have to cut it. Okay. I like the tape, the branded tape. Okay. Oh, okay. Has obviously a lid. Chin, 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 chin. What is this? It's a huge Posca marker. Yay! This is so fun. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh. Yay! Blue. Oh my god. I wonder if they come in different colors. Chun chun. Okay. It's colorful too. I love colorful stuff. Oh, it comes with a Posca sticker. Oh no! I don't have this. I don't have these ones. Oh my god! It's Posca Markers. It's Posca Markers. Oh my god! And they're like pastel. There are pastel colors. I don't have this. I have a bunch of Posca markers because I love them. I really love them. They are one of my most favorite tools because you can use them on everything. I use them for drawing on canvas. I use them for customizing jackets and bags. I have to show you. Okay, these are some things I made with Posca markers. Like you can make paintings. This is a canvas board, which is a canvas, but it's hard. So sorry, they're in a bag. I sell these at conventions, so I had them on my convention table. So see, these are some paintings I made. They blend so good. I painted this. This is an empty spray paint can. See, and I gave it a base with spray paint, and then I used the Posca markers. This is a jacket that I painted. You give it a base of fabric paint in white, and then you use the Posca so the color is stronger, and then you use an iron, you iron it and it stays. And I love them. They're fun, they are quick. I love working quickly with them, and I don't have these ones. These ones are like pastel colors. Huh. Let me see. Oh my god, this is like a cream color. I want to try them. Let me see. Let's go crazy with this. This is, let me see if I can put it a little bit lower. Yes. This is, I love this. I love this thing. I'm going to use it for decoration around the house. Let me see if I can put it somewhere. And this is one of my notebooks that I made this year. Okay, let's try. Can I zoom it a little bit? So I can tell you how do you use do you open the markers, since we are at this? Obviously, you take the plastic off, right? Then you shake it a little bit so the paint is very well mixed. And usually, I don't think I ever had a problem with it anyways. So then, when you open it, it's like this. See? It's white. Oh, they're also thin. They're good for details and stuff. Okay, sorry I get excited and gets out of focus. There, I do the thing like the makeup bloggers. Yeah, okay. All right, so you have to do this. You shake it, and then you press it a couple times, right? And then you kind of, I mean, you can keep on insisting, but the best thing is to let it be a little bit. Look at it here. I'm going to try with another one. Like, I like the colors. Like, these colors are amazing. I like this one. I love it. I love this one too. Yeah. And this one, amazing. And this yellow that is softer. I really love these colors. This is a very, very nice selection. I'm going to open another one meanwhile. Let's do the same thing. If you're very anxious like I am, you can see that this is one that I haven't pressed yet, right? So the nib is absolutely clean still, but this is the first one, right? Let's see, it's still not there, but it's getting there. See, just you have to wait a little bit. It depends. In some markers it goes faster. I think on the thicker ones it comes down faster, and in these ones it might take a little bit longer. Remember when you press them, I mean, you can press them, they take a lot of abuse, really, because I'm not super delicate. But don't do like pah, pah, pah. Just put them, like place them and push. See, it's already starting to mark a little bit. See, it's getting there. I put the postcards on little mugs, which is what I had. You know, you want them to be, can you say upside down? Yeah, I guess upside down. So the ink will come down. You know, this is our first one, which is already ready to work with. See, it has very, very nice fine lines. Okay, you can work on paper. I recommend a canvas. It's very nice to work with Poscas. This one, this beautiful, beautiful color is also, it's getting there. See, it's coming down still, but it works. If they are taking a while, like this beige, which is a rebel, you can press them a little longer, okay? And you wait for a little bit. That accelerates it. But you have to be careful, because only do that if they're taking too long, and in these thinner ones, because the thicker ones, you might spill some ink with this technique. Just first try the patience approach. And then see, we are almost there with this. There you go. So now we are ready to work with them. I'm going to do, let me see, I'm going to do a little thing, and I like to blend them, and I want to show you how to blend them. I recommend to work for drawing in a canvas or a canvas board, and then you have to have preferably some paper to clean the nib. Okay, now I chose a few colors that I think look good together, that they are going to blend nicely, and that they match. And I chose a small area, which is one of the eyes, because they are thin. You know, I think these should be better for details, but I want to show you how they work. So what you do, you start with the darker tone, and you paint, right? Now a lighter one, or one you want to mix. Look how this is blending super nicely. You have to work while they are wet, you know, so they can blend. Next color. So I'm going from, this one needs a little bit more shaking, but you go, there it goes, from darker to lighter. Okay, you have to work fast. I mean, they take a little bit to dry, so it's not like you are in a super rush, but you have to move quick, which I love, because as you can see, I am pretty anxious. And then you get the last one, the brightest one, which is our yellow. Okay, and if you wanted to blend more, because can you see, as you see, the yellow is a bit different, the other ones are more similar, you can always use your finger a little bit. I do it a lot. Then I end up with my fingers like this, but it's not a problem because they are not toxic. See, now this one is a little bit dirty, so that's why you here have your paper. You do this and you clean it up, so next time you use it, it's pure yellow again. See, you don't have to use a lot of ink, you know, it doesn't have much waste there. And sometimes I forget about it, sometimes I'm in a rush and I just put it back. So before starting working with it, I open it, I look at it. Sometimes I don't even look at it, I just try it in the paper and then I go and work. So this is how you use it. Then you can use, how dark is this? Let me see. Well, this page, well, you know, the beige will look nice as highlights for the skin if I choose a light skin tone, but we're going to just leave it at this for now, and then this one I'm going to finish it with my other markers that are thicker. So I would love to have a set of this in like every thickness possible. I love them. I don't know about these colors. Now I want all the colors. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, and I hope Posca sent me more wonderful things to show you, and if not, I'm going to get them myself because I love them, love them, love them. Thank you.